This
Yeah,
one dismounted.
I think we
I'm
should.
caught here.
gonna
I'm
fight.
caught on ping. I'm caught on ping.
Fuck.
I'm just running here.
Yeah.
Gonna run towards us.
I'm running.
We'll run him sprint.
We can.
Ejo, can you ping up? Oh, you're here. Okay.
Yeah, this
I think
one-
Ejo
this
can
one-
get you.
Ah, okay,
dismount.
go back, go back. You can't save me now.
Yeah, but
No, let's.
let's fight it. Fuck it.
Okay.
I'm gonna overcharge right now.
Givers on you here. There's a death givers on you here.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Just put damage together, guys.
Don't clump.
Healer on me.
Rian on the back.
Spring, come back if you can.
Ours
Yeah,
are
I'm-
healing.
There's a
yeah.
ball as well on you here.
Bruisers,
Oh my gosh.
nobody's hitting the healer. Come on, guys. Focus on healer.
Big.
Nice, nice.
Focus on soft shine now.
I got 2 of them right
We
here.
got them, we got them. Push.
Go, 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 go.
Go meet stay behind
Bombay,
them.
Bombay, loot. You don't have
One
mana.
of them went west. One of them went west.
Yeah, there's 2 almost.
I got the
dead.
healer here. Quastos.
Gonna
Get this guy.
Rian this.
Come on, stay and loot.
Yeah, they're outlaw. They're outlaw. Guys, just go, go, go.
Nice. Yeah.
Someone loot behind
There's
this.
3 people here.
I looted behind.
Oh, nice one. Hey.
He's dismounted. Do you like
Yeah,
that?
dismounted. Hey, nice. I like that. Hey. I like that a lot.
Yo guys, they fucked them so hard, GG.
He's still here, head northeast.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I have a great axe on me. I have 2 guys on me.
Alright, alright.
3 guys on me.
He dismounted. He's dead.
Tantora, are you good? Tantora?
No, I'm
Come,
red.
come, guys, guys.
Rian. Oh fuck.
I'm red spotted.
1 second, 1 second.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh my god.
What was the range on that guy? He weren't even in view anymore.
It's territory, be careful.
Alright, let's go back. We can't do anything.
Oh, they are 8-3.
I looted you.